welcome to Know Physics with me. Hope all are doing good. Yes. So we have already started with Physics CBSE Class 10, Chapter 10, Light, Reflection and Refraction, right? Yes. So we have already done with 5 sessions where we covered different types or different concepts based on reflection. And in this session we will see the second part of the chapter, which is refraction. Okay. So problems, we have numericals related to reflection. Okay, so I have planned to cover all the numericals at the end of this chapter. Okay, so let us complete a refraction also, and then we will discuss both reflection and refraction, book back questions as well as numericals. Okay, so those who have missed the previous sessions, I'll provide you the link in the description box so that you can click on it and watch it. Okay, yes. So before getting into this topic, let us understand some basic things. Okay, so we have seen till now in reflection what we have seen, light travels in a straight line in a transparent medium, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to consider two transparent medium and check whether the light is traveling in the same straight line or whether it changes its direction or whether it is bending. So what is the behavior of light when it travels from one medium to another medium? That is what we are going to see in this session. Okay. So first let us understand what is refraction, and then we will try to compare the day-to-day life examples that we are seeing and where refraction is taking place. Okay, and how it takes place and how as an observer how it appears to us. This is what we are going to see in this session. Okay, so very clearly I think this would be very interesting session. Okay, yes. So what is refraction? You can note it down. Refraction is nothing but bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. To another medium, or you can write it as just another. Is nothing but called as refraction. Okay? You understand? Bending of light when it travels from one medium to another is called refraction. Now let us consider, okay, this as air and this as water. Okay, so we have two different mediums. Okay, now I am going to do one thing. I am going to give a incident light. So this is nothing but I. Okay. Now what is going to happen? Refraction. Of course reflection is going to happen. Since we are studying about refraction, we will give importance for refraction now. Okay, reflection does happen, that is why we are able to see things, but since we are going to learn about refraction, we will give importance to that. Okay, so when it travels from air medium to water medium, two transparent mediums, what is going to happen is, actually we will expect the light to travel like this, right? But actually it does not do so. Instead it will bend. Okay, I will draw it neatly. So instead it will bend. Okay. Now I am going to consider the opposite way, water to air. So this is nothing but the refracted ray. Okay, we will denote it by the letter R, small r. So this is nothing but angle of incidence, you know, right? This is the normal. Okay, normal is the line drawn perpendicular. So angle of incidence is nothing but angle between the incident ray and the normal. And angle of refraction here is this one, angle between the refracted ray and the normal. You understand? So this one we have already seen in reflection. So the same terms only we are going to use here. There instead of reflection, here we are using refraction. Now we are going to consider water to air. So here also I am going to incident a light. So what is happening after reaching air? It is going to bend like this. So what is the difference in both the cases? Here the light has bent towards the normal. This is the normal, right? Yes. Here the light has bent towards the normal, and here light has bent away from the normal, and nothing goes in a straight line. So what is happening is when there is a change in medium, okay, that time your light does not travel in straight line, instead it bends. Okay, that is nothing but called as refraction. You can ask me, ma'am, here it is bending towards the normal, it is bending away from the normal. Why? I'll tell you with the concept. Okay, difference between these two is the medium. Okay, in first case we have used air to water, and in second case water to air. Okay, so since there is a change in the medium, this also changes. The refracted rays bending also changes. Okay, I'll tell you what it is. We have two things called rarer and denser. Few of you might have heard. Okay, rarer medium is one which has less density, whereas denser medium is highly dense. Okay, that is what you have to understand. So in air, how are the molecules present in air? It is freely present, right? Whereas when compared to air, in water the molecules are little tightly packed, right? Yes. So in that case, which has high density? Water has high density when compared to air. Yes or no? Yes. That is what is the meaning of rarer and denser. Then rarer means example is air. Denser means example is water. Okay. So note it down. When a light ray travels from rarer to denser medium, the refracted ray bends towards the normal. Whereas it is vice versa in the second case. When it moves from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. You understand? In first case, this is rarer medium. Air is rarer medium and water is denser medium. In second case, water is denser and this is rarer, right? So, when a light ray travels from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. The refracted ray or the light ray bends towards the normal. You understand? Whereas in the second case, it is moving from denser to rarer medium. So, the refracted rays bends away from the normal. You are clear with this concept? Yes. So let us consider this to be a beaker containing water with pencil inserted inside this. Okay. So kindly adjust my diagram. Okay. So this is our pencil and I will represent it by the letter P, and this is the observer who is standing here and watching this pencil. Actually the pencil you have kept as it is just like that. But for an observer it appears to be broken and displaced. I will tell you the reason what it is. Okay. So the rays from the pencil, right? So the rays from the pencil have to reach a rise after reflection, right? Then only we will be able to see this image of the pencil. So the rays coming from the pencil, there are n number of rays. Let us consider only two rays for our convenience. Okay, so two rays are coming from the pencil. Think like that. What is happening here? At this point, there is a change in medium, right? This is water and it is moving to air. So denser to rarer. So when there is a change in medium, what will happen? Bending of light takes place, right? So the light bends and reaches the observer's eye like this. It doesn't move in the straight line. Okay. So for an observer at this point, it appears to be like this. That is, the pencil is here and it is broken here. Because how I will tell you, when you extend these bended rays, okay, when you extend this rays, it will touch this point and that point is where the observer will feel the images. Actually, the light rays are coming from here. But due to bending, for an observer who sees this, it is like the light is coming from this point. And there is where the observer can find the pencil. You understand? So, refraction takes place here. That is why you are able to see the pencil broken as well as displaced inside the water. The same is happening for lemon inside water. So when you place a lemon inside water, it appears to be bigger. Why? You know. So for a person standing here, what will happen? So actually the light rays are coming from here, you think, okay? Okay, so it is bending away from the normal. Okay, this is the normal, right? So it is bending away from the normal, not towards the normal. So actually here, your apparent position, you call this as apparent position. This is actual position. The actual position of the lemon is this, and this you call it as apparent position, which is not real. For an observer, he will see only the apparent position of lemon. So for the observer, the lemon appears to be bigger in size because the light rays are bending away from the normal. So it appears bigger and displaced. Clear? So this is what we are seeing in our day-to-day life. So we never connect physics concept with our day-to-day life. That is why we feel physics as difficult, right? Now, I think most of you have experienced these two cases. Yes, we have n number of examples. Few more I will let you know. Okay, you can try it at home. Okay, yes. Now I'll tell you few more examples where refraction takes place. Okay, so take a bowl. Okay, and you place a coin. Okay, 1 rupee coin inside a bowl. Now from certain angle you try to see the bowl, will not be able to see the coin inside the bowl. Now what you're going to do is, under the same condition, you're going to pour some water inside the bowl. Now at the same angle with which you saw previously, now try to watch it, you will be able to see the coin. Why? Because of the same concept of refraction. Bending of light takes place. So when it bends, for an observer the image appears to be raised, okay, to certain level. Now he will be able to see the image of the coin at some other place. Okay. Now try to take the coin from the water from the same angle, but you will not able to take the coin exactly. Okay, because the coin is actually below, but the image of the coin appears to be above. So the actual position of coin is different and apparent position of the coin is different. So this is because of bending of light, which is nothing but the refraction. Now consider one more example. You have a pond and you have fishes inside the pond. Now a hunter wants to shoot the fish. So at which position if he shoot the fish, he will be able to catch the fish. This is what one of the important question is. Okay, so think and answer. Actually the fish will be below, but the image of the fish for an observer at an angle, it appears to be above, right? So only when he shoots the fish from below, he will be able to catch the fish, right? Yes. Now I'll give you the diagrams related to this, so you'll have a better understanding. Now I hope you are all clear with what refraction is. Yes, we have all experienced these in our day-to-day life. Yes or no? Yes. So now I hope you are all clear with what is refraction and what are all the examples of refraction that we are seeing in our day-to-day life. Yes. So if you like it, do share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.